Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
The District Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, South Goa has issued a bailable warrant against Bhavish Aggarwal, the CEO and founder of OLA Electric Technologies Private Limited. The order comes after Aggarwal failed to appear before the commission despite a prior notice issued in January. The warrant directs the PI of one of the police stations of Bangalore to arrest Aggarwal and produce him before the commission in Margao. However, it is a bailable warrant. Aggarwal may be released if he provides bail in the sum of 1,47,499 rupees and a surety of the like amount, and if he undertakes to appear before the commission at next date of hearing. The warrant stems from a consumer complaint filed by Pritesh Chandrakant Ghari against the electric vehicle giant. According to the court documents, the commission had issued a notice on January 28, 2026 directing Aggarwal to personally appear for clarification on February 4th. Despite the notice being served, neither Aggarwal nor an authorized representative appeared during the proceedings. The commission has noted that an advocate was present for the company, but the advocate submitted that he had no instructions regarding the specific appearance of the CEO. The matter has been adjourned for the personal appearance of the CEO and for further arguments for 23rd February. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.